How hard is it to actually train for a 100-mile ultra? Well, in less than 30 days from now, I've got my first 100-mile ultra. And only months before, in mid-September, I did my first 100k ultra off basically no specific training, and it definitely went a lot better than I thought it would. I ended up coming away with just under 12 hours for a 100-kilometer ultra, with about 2,000 meters of elevation gain and just over 100 kilometers ticked over. I usually stick to the roads and don't go on the trails at all, but this 100-kilometer ultra definitely gave me a run for my money. Safe to say, I know that I'll have to properly train for this 100-mile ultra coming up, and I've been working hard on the trails and definitely still hitting the roads for that speed work. But here are a few things I've been following just to make sure I'm ready for this ultra. First step is to obviously get the rarest haircut going around, then pace your mate to a sub 130 half marathon, and then just spend an absolutely ridiculous amount of time in the trails. I mean, I've never really set foot in the trails, and in the past 2 days, I've spent over 8 hours on the trails. This 100-mile ultra is mainly on the Mount Kosciuszko trails and will definitely test me within regards to the elevation and the climbs I'll have to endure. The goal I've been chasing right now is to spend as much time as I can on my legs when running and getting used to the elevation gain. I'll definitely still be mixing in my speed work when I can, but I'm definitely losing some speed while training. The goal over the next couple of weeks is to peak around 160 kilometers for the week with around 5,000 meters elevation gain and get ready for the taper for the ultra. So follow along to see how I go.